Hello YouTube, Gold Silver Strength here, and today we're going to talk about Barrick Gold and whether or not you should purchase this stock. By the time you're watching this video, news about Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett purchasing $500 million worth of Barrick Gold stock has influenced the price. Now it's trading very close to $30. And the question you have is this price, despite some market manipulation by Warren Buffett, is this a good time to purchase gold stock, gold miners, or even silver miners for that matter? So let us take a closer look at this daily chart using the moving average cross. So what I can see is that Barrick Gold was going to enter a bearish cross, but with the news of Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway, it just skyrocketed towards $30. However, to me, this still indicates that Barrick Gold is in the range right here. So you can see around $30.50 is the top part of the range, and close to $26 is the bottom part of the range. And right now, as Barrick Gold tries to touch the top part of the range, we'll see whether or not it wants to break upward or continue to trend sideways. Barrick Gold does a typical pattern with regards to the moving average cross. You can see that after certain severe price action moves up, it likes to retrace. Then if it goes down or up, it has to retrace. So right now we're in the retracement phase. So if you are long or short, depending on your stance, this would be a time to start building up a position while the price is consolidating. In terms of time patterns, nothing really sticks out to me so far, apart from these consecutive green candles. This is 3, 6, 9 consecutive green candles. It's possible that Barrick Gold can continue a long streak of bullish or bearish momentum. But currently, it just formed a huge gap on the daily chart. Within the past couple months, there's nothing that Barrick Gold did that was similar. So we just have to take it as a new pattern and continue to tread water. In terms of a Fibonacci retracement, it's quite obvious that since February with the dips, that it's already broken the bearish sentiment and it's pretty much a bull run at this moment. So we can do a Fibonacci retracement. We'll just use the May local highs right here and then have it extend upward, and then we'll use the March lows down here. Let us see. Okay, so the 61% extension is at around $38. So that's one common price point we can expect Barrick Gold to want to test, possibly get towards. And then we have a 261% extension at around $54, which is also the highs made in 2011 when commodities, gold and silver, made all-time highs and then plummeted afterwards. So these are two levels to keep in mind in terms of Fibonacci extensions, and they may or may not play an important factor in the future. So to summarize, Barrick Gold appears to be in a massive bull run right now in terms of general direction. Let us draw even from March right here. The lows are getting higher and higher. And even right here. So you can expect the new lows to be even higher than that. And usually these patterns continue to occur until something breaks the trend. So the best thing you can do is to not resist, react to this price action movement and continue to ride the trend. And the trend is your best friend, and you can make a lot of money when you can see the trend form and you can take advantage. Right now, it might test the local highs right here of early August, but then again, you have the price action supporting that. But at the same time, you also have a range forming for Barrick Gold starting in late July, as said earlier, between 30.5 as the highs and around 26 as the lows. So right now there are a lot of bullish indicators. You have general price action leading towards higher highs and higher lows. You have Fibonacci extensions that support it going towards its all-time highs in 2011 in terms of a 261% extension. You have time patterns. If it does get on a bull run, it can stay very bullish for a long time. So momentum is definitely on your side. But on the bearish side, you have these candles that just formed within the last couple of weeks. You have a range, and you have the moving average cross just indicating a bearish state. So in my opinion, Barrick Gold looks to trade sideways for a little bit, as you can see here, until it breaks the highs made. You don't really know if it's going to continue its bearish, bullish or bearish momentum. So right here in the highs made in February, you can see that when it tested it in April, it broke through it and continued to extend upward. Though it did retrace back, it's still extending upward and made a higher low and a higher high. And now it did so right here, and now it's looking to make a higher high. So I'm looking, the key level here is to look at the 30.5 level and to take into account Fibonacci extension at the 161% level. You could also count the amount of bullish candles it made when it does get, if it does break over 30.5, that will be a better indicator of detecting whether or not Barrick Gold will be bullish for at least the short term. So with that said, I am neutral about Barrick Gold for the short term. It does seem to have a bullish momentum starting to form, or it's already formed, but I still need a few more confirmations in order to have a short thing with Barrick Gold. And the short telltale sign for me is if it tested 30.5 and broke through it, telling me that I should build up more of a position in this. Okay, so that is it for this video, and thank you for listening. Are you tired of losing in trading and investing? Check out my videos where I do a bare bones analysis on just the price action. No fancy indicators, no gimmicks, just trend analysis and winning here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.